It's been a long time since I've uploaded, 3 years to be exact. And in those 3 years, a lot of things have changed, and I've finally managed to get up some time and boot up this old project that's very simple, but I couldn't just make myself to finish it. Anyways, this time around, I've actually scrapped the whole code that I've made, and I've actually vowed that I will finish the whole project in its entirety. It might take about 3, maybe 4 months tops, but in the end, I promise you guys you will have a complete Harry Potter game in Unity, provided that anybody cared. But the last time I've checked, there were some people leaving comments that wanted to play the game and asked me where I got the models. I'll just drop the. This time around, I'm actually gonna look for the comments, and whoever asks, I'll just drop the link there. So, that being said, the whole project has been stripped. I've deleted everything and I decided to start anew just because I have much more experience right now, and I am a fully fledged senior developer for web applications, which means that this whole thing would be a very, very easy thing to do. So without further ado, I'm just gonna hop into the game and show you guys what I did. I've had to cut the part where I booted up the game because it's very, very loud. But the first thing that you hear is we actually have some sort of an ambience. Now the ambience is divided into two parts. The first part is the background audio, and then the second part is the ambience audio. Both of these actually play when I cross a trigger. As you can see, this trigger is right here. I'll pause the game just so we don't have too much of a tone. So you can see the ambient trigger is right here. I've accidentally hit the trigger and it plays the outside noise. The background music is connected to the scene, so this scene actually plays a variation of outside 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now that it's removed, we can head over into a little bit more important parts. The part that's really, really annoying is that this whole grass thing kind of looks glassy, as you can see. I'm trying to look into why that is. I'm not really sure, but it doesn't really matter as I'll just edit all of this later. The scale of this is huge, and I'm currently working on finding a proper scale, but I think this is okay once I increase the speed a little bit and add flying. Apart from that, we also have the chest and the cauldron animation. I worked tirelessly to get these to be exact. So with my prototype casting, where I just have the thing the thing hover over the object and then it's going to activate its animation. So just a prototype, but I promise in the next couple of weeks I'm just going to fix it. But this is what I want to show you guys. So same stuff, and once I hover over the chest blows up with an animation and has a sound effect. So I'm just going to shut up now and show you. There you go. I moved it a little bit by accident because God knows why. I'm not really a good animator and I kind of suck in that. And then we also have this, so there you go. The sounds are there, everything is there. And this is my attempt to make Hogwarts. This is the place where we have that not Defendo, but yeah, Defendo challenge. And this place hides a secret. Then here also there's a few places and walls where we can use Spongify, but so far this is what I have. And currently I'm not really happy with the amount of stairs that I have to put in. Not the stairs more or less, but the slope here is just insane, so I will probably have to reduce the height of this since it's really, really huge and I hate doing this. But yeah, this just kind of feels not so good, so I'm probably going to increase the height here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The game has some solid standing. I'm currently working on having scene transitions between scenes. That's what's currently on. And after that, I'm gonna finish spells. Also, the spells are differentiated, so the game actually knows that this is a Flipendo cauldron, and they know that this is an Alahmora chest. So if I show you that part, I have an Alahmora chest, and here in this part it actually says which spell it's going to cast. Currently I have Alahmora, Flipendo, Lumos, Wingardium Leviosa, and Incendio. The rest it's going to be Spongify and Defendo. But yeah, after that I'm probably going to add flying, which is something I really like working on, but kind of takes time. So yeah, this is a product of what I've been working on in the past 2 days when I just had some sort of a free time.